Hello and welcome to this module. My name is Mark Harris and I will be instructing you on the difference of two expressions that we use when discussing an amount of something. This has been inspired by my 10-year-old son who misuses these two, and I try to correct him often. I thought perhaps making a video would be a nice review for him and a good review for you as well. These two expressions that I'm talking about that deal with amount are how many and how much. Now, let's clarify what the two mean. First of all, let's start with how many. This is the easier one to understand. If you're going to ask someone how many of something that they might have, then the thing that you are asking about should be countable. For example, let's say you ask them how many spoons they have. You can count the number of spoons. So how many spoons do you have? You would not ask me, how much spoons will we need to put on the table? No, you would ask me, how many spoons do I need to put on the table? The same is true if you're talking about anything that can be counted. The number of books. How many books? Not how much books. Those were the spoons. These are candles. How many candles, not how much candles. Now, the more difficult to use, perhaps, or to remember how to use correctly, is the word how much. Much is when you are talking about the amount of something, but that amount cannot be counted. Around me in this room, there is air. And there is an amount of air in this room. How much air, I do not know. It can't be counted, but it is a large group of an amount in a single grouping, if you will. We use the word how much. How much air. Another thing that might help you get this idea in your mind properly is water. You wouldn't ask me for, how many water do you want at the table? You might ask how many glasses of water. But in terms of water itself and the amount you're going to ask for, you would ask for how much. How much water? Or another thing that can't be counted per se would be sugar. How much sugar do you want on your cereal? Hopefully not this much, but you get the idea. Let's say that you wanted some money, and that's another word that would come before a much phrase. I would like some sugar, I would like some water, I would like some money to go see a movie. I need some time. These are all amounts that cannot be counted, but they do exist. You could ask for how much money, but how many dollars? How many hours? How many drops of water? How many grains of crystals of sugar, grains of sand? These kind of things. When they can be counted, how many? When it's a large grouping, but you want to know the amount, how much? Now I'm curious, how much has this helped you to learn the difference between these two expressions? Thank you for tuning in. We'll talk to you later.